In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications that are coming from Phoenix browser. So if I swipe down my phone, you can see I have quite a number of notifications from this app, and I'd like to go ahead and turn them off permanently. If you'll find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Now, to stop pop-up notifications from this app, you'll need first to go ahead and access Phoenix app information page. To do that, it is quite simple. Just head over back here and then look for settings, and from settings tap on it and then go ahead and look for the option called apps. Now if you tap on apps, look for this function called manage apps or all apps depending on your smartphone. Now for this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Now from here, this will open all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Now scroll until you find your app. And as you can see, my app is here. Alternatively, you can search for your app using this search function that is on top here. So once you locate your app, go ahead and tap on it and you will be on the app information page. And this is where we are going to do our troubleshooting. However, if getting to this page is quite tedious for you, then go back and then just go ahead and look for your app. And once you find it, just long press on it and you'll see this option called app info. So if you tap on it, it will again take you to the same app information page like this. Now under this, look for the option called permission, and under this category, scroll down until you see notifications. As you can see, notifications are currently turned to yes, and that's why you have been receiving those notifications. And you can see we have quite a number of categories under this. So instead of switching off one by one here, just go ahead and toggle off this option called show notifications. Once you toggle it, all the other notifications will be muted or will be turned off. And now if I swipe down, you can see the pop-up notifications that I was experiencing have disappeared. So that's how you permanently turn off pop-up notifications on your Phoenix browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.